Pakistan vs India T20 World Cup match may postpone. The much-anticipated 2020 World Cup 2022 match between Pakistan and India will likely be called off because of rain. The biggest cricket tournament in the world started yesterday in Australia. Group 2 of the Super 12 stage is where both teams are. The other teams in their group are Bangladesh and South Africa. Thus, Pakistan vs India T20 World Cup match may postpone. Pakistan vs India T20 World Cup match may postpone. Rain is expected to halt Pakistan and India's much-anticipated 2020 World Cup 2022 match. The world's largest cricket competition began yesterday in Australia. Both teams are in Group 2 of the Super 12 stage. Bangladesh and South Africa are the other teams in their group. Two more teams will join the group after competing in the qualifications. As long as their political relationships are so strained, neither country will play cricket with the other. Cricket-crazy countries, on the other hand, adore it when sporting activities take place or when two teams compete in tournaments with more than two teams. On October 23, two teams compete at Melbourne's famed Melbourne Cricket Ground. A weather forecast, however, predicts a severe deluge in Melbourne on Sunday, October 23. A group match between Pakistan and India is scheduled on the same day. According to reports, all tickets for the much-anticipated match have already been sold. Both teams will receive 1 point if the game is cancelled due to weather. The Meteorological Service predicts it will begin to rain in Melbourne on Thursday. Right now, rain is falling in 3 states of Australia. The weather in the country is also frigid.